is happening here? Aydan, what's going on here?
Just cleaning barnacles off.
We just used my 4Runner to push this up the hill with the couch cushion. So you guys are probably wondering why we got another vehicle here, and this one's exciting. This was actually my grandfather's 4Runner, and he traded it to a member of his church in 2015 for a Land Cruiser. But I have video of us going four-wheeling and him driving this, going with us in our trucks. And so we got the opportunity. The guy who had it, it stopped running. They tried to fix it, and they ended up breaking something, and they just never got it running again. So they just wanted to get rid of it, and we offered them a ridiculously low price for this, and actually got it. So what's so cool about this thing is it's super rare. This is actually an 87 turbo 4Runner. Stock turbo. So what happened is that they broke the thermostat housing, and they had so much unplugged here, as you can see it's a freaking mess, that they just kind of gave up on it, and it sat for years. Turbo is down there somewhere, but you can't see it because it's so small. But it's super cool. So obviously it has that intake manifold, which has the badges on it. It's got this super nice interior, although it's kind of dirty right now. It's got the inclinometer,
Turbo boost gauge on the dash, and turbo
badging. It's got the digital through the gauges. It even says turbo on the steering wheel. So it's totally messy right now, but it even has deluxe door panels, even though it's got a hole right there. But even the back is super clean. It still has all the trim for the top. It's actually super, super nice. It just needs paint, but there's like super, super straight. It's even back here. Hold on. Climbing the bushes. It even says turbo SR5. This is basically exactly the way my grandpa left it. Exactly. I even sold him these Pia lights up here, like 10, 15 years ago. And I don't know, it's just cool. It's cool that it's his. It was his. It's cool that Aydan wants it. And it's like one of Aydan's bucket list cars. So when we get this up and running, he's gonna stop driving his little Civic, and this will be his driver. So 22R TE. So that'd be cool. Caleb has a turbo. Aydan has a turbo. Novobile turbo. We'll all have a turbo. It's dated though. I mean, look at these wheels. Those rims are ugly as heck. But it's cool. And we got a lot of cleanup to do on it. A lot of wiring mess. But it'll be good. It's freaking awesome for the price, awesome for what it's gonna be. So check it out. Let me know if you guys want to see more of this video, or this 4Runner, because I think it's really cool. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's cool.
Would you drive it?
Yeah.
Windows being held up by a door stopper.
Caleb, can you help me with this drive line back here?
If you guys want to know anything more about this, let me know and I'll get specifics, but this is just an overall right now. We got it parked up here on the side of the house because it's not going to be driving anytime soon. It's not going to be a rush project. It's going to be something we pick at. But I'm so cool that it's back here with us. It's going to stay in the family probably forever because Aydan doesn't get rid of cars like Caleb and I do. Got some more work done. We pulled this monstrosity off the front end. We got this window up. So we tested the motor and the motor actually works. So we're thinking it's the switch that was bad, but we don't even have one. So we got to find that. But windows up, it's cleaner. And we got this out of the engine compartment. And there's more to go. So I think we're almost to the point where we got parts on order and we'll start putting it back together next after we do some more cleaning.
Parts come on Tuesday.
Call it on this for now. We've got plenty to do, but he's got school stuff to work on and I gotta work on video stuff, so it's hot. Not that I'm really complaining, but we got quite a bit done on this thing this weekend, so it's a good stopping point. Again, there's not like any super rush to get this thing going because it has to be tested and driven and before make the plunge to switch vehicles, and then this is going to cost more insurance, so but we just need to take our time and go through it and make sure everything's safe. Drain the fluid or the fuel, get everything put back together, make sure it runs, dries, make sure the tranny's good, all that good stuff.